Benefits of AeroTron-100 over nPB. AeroTron-100 is a modernized vapor degreasing solvent chemistry that is better for the environment and for your people. AeroTron has the same cleaning power without the regulatory hassles of nPB. AeroTron-100 has an excellent health and safety profile with much higher ppm than nPB, 150 ppm for AeroTron-100 compared to 0.01 ppm for nPB. You can use AeroTron in your current equipment. No changes are required. AeroTron-100 does not have a water reaction, so boosting, stabilizing, and bath testing is not required. AeroTron is not regulated under NESHAP, nor is it considered a hazardous air pollutant, unlike nPB, which is now a HAP that requires updated, expensive permitting. AeroTron-100 ships common carrier and is not considered a hazardous waste, where nPB now is. AeroTron-100 has no Prop 65 components and is RoHs compliant. AeroTron can be distilled and recycled, which saves on solvent costs. And it ships common carrier, reducing transportation costs as well. AeroTron's modernized chemistries meet the regulatory demands of today while enabling you to seamlessly continue your cleaning operations. At Reliance, we are vapor degreasing experts. Give us a call at 847-640-8923 and schedule a technical discussion or free test part cleaning. We look forward to working with you.